Hello! My name is Jimmy Brown. I am from United Kingdom, Manchester. We have a nice park in Manchester called Marie Louise Gardens. Recently, our lovely park was defiled by 4 raw chicken fillets. Someone left 4 raw chicken fillets in Marie Louise Gardens. And the name of this song is Someone Left 4 Chicken Fillets in Marie Louise Gardens. Someone left 4 chicken fillets in Marie Louise Gardens! Near the steps down the Palatine Road! It seems a bit weird. Who would leave 4 chicken fillets in the park? Who would leave 4 slimy chicken fillets sitting in the park? Was someone just trying to poison a fox? Or maybe poison a dog? Either way, it's not nice to poison animals. The chicken fillets are dirty and slimy. 4 raw chicken fillets were left in Marie Louise Gardens. 4 raw chicken fillets. Buy my book. Buy my book, Brown on Brown, the autobiography of Jimmy Brown. Just £10. Come up to me after show to purchase. Right. My name is Jimmy Brown. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Manchester, United Kingdom. I suffer from various degenerative conditions and alcoholism. I am obese. I weigh 16 stone 11. Therefore, by BMI, I am obese. And the name of this song is I'm an Obese Alcoholic. But I'm too fucking fat to get out. I am an obese guy. I ate too much hot dog and pie. Every night I drink and I cry. 'Cause I like to drink too much. Yeah, I like to drink too much. And I like to eat the fudge. Yeah, I like to eat the fudge. I'm an obese alcoholic. I don't know what else to call it. It's anything but bucolic to be an obese alcoholic. I got jaundice, yellow skin, gastrointestinal bleeding, abdominal swelling and confusion and many contusions. One more pint, and then I'll have another 10. I'm waiting for this awful life to finally end. Alcohol makes me desire a sausage cooked on fire, served on buttered bread. I can't wait to be dead, 'cause I like to drink too much. obese alcoholic. I got jaundice, yellow skin, gastrointestinal bleeding, abdominal swelling and confusion and many contusions. I drink too much and I'm fat, and that's the main point of this song. Yeah, that's the main point of this song. Right, my name is Jimmy Brown. Let's do some audience participation. Sing after me if you would. I'm an obese alcoholic.
I'm an obese alcoholic.
I don't know what else to call it.
I don't know what else to call it.
I got jaundice, yellow skin, gastrointestinal bleeding, abdominal swelling and confusion and many contusion. Right, yeah, good job. Give yourselves a round of applause for doing a good job on that. My name is Jimmy Brown. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Manchester, United Kingdom. This is my therapist, Dr. Rolf. Give him a round of applause.
Dr. Ross.
May I read a poem? May I read a poem? The name of this poem is I Can Smell the Mice Having Sex Behind the Walls.
I can smell the mice having sex behind the walls.
Go ahead, well done, mate.
No, I read the poem, not you.
I'm sorry.
No. I can smell the mice having sex behind the walls. I can smell the mice having sex behind the walls. I can hear them squealing while they fuck. The mice are always making love.
Oh, yeah.
I can smell the mice having sex behind the walls. I can hear the mommy mouse juice while she gives birth. I can hear the mommy mouse juice while she gives birth. I can hear the daddy mouse crying because he's happy. I can hear the daddy mouse crying because he's happy. And I can smell the mice having sex behind the walls. I caught a mouse in the mouse trap. He was still alive. His little tail wiggled about. Blood was dripping from his mouth. I hit him with a copy of Vogue UK. But he remained alive. There was more blood. I stomped on him with my foot. Then he died. Previous to this, I could smell the mice having sex behind the walls. I can smell the mice having sex behind the walls. I can smell the mice having sex behind the walls. Thank you. Right, now I've just wrote a new song about 2 days ago. The name of this song is called I Fucking Hate You, You've Ruined My Life.
Yes.
And I don't remember the words, so I printed them out, and I do apologise. I won't be making eye contact, I'll just be staring at this page as I sing the words to this song, which is called I Fucking Hate You, You Ruined My Life. Right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I fucking hate you, you ruined my life! I fucking hate you, you ruined my life! I don't ever want to see you again! I don't even want to be your friend! I used to think you were the best! you. The name of that song was I Fucking Hate You, You've Ruined My Fucking Life. If anyone wants the lyric sheet to study for later, right? Okay. Right. So as I mentioned previously, I'm from United Kingdom, Manchester. We did a song about one of the parks in Manchester called Marie Louise Gardens, but this is a song about a park in Manchester called Fog Lane Park, where there's too many rats because people keep feeding the rats in Fog Lane Park. Yes! People need to stop feeding the rats in Fog Lane Park! People need to stop feeding the rats! The rats come out after dark! Stop feeding the rats in Fog Lane Park! People want to have a nice time in the park. They don't want to see rats crawling around. The rats in Fog Lane Park feel pain, and that's good. I've always disliked rats. I saw two rats fucking in the park. People need to stop feeding the rats in Fog Lane Park. People need to stop feeding the rats. Shot many a rat, bloody vermin. They carry all sorts of nasties and can untold damage, especially to wiring. People want to have a nice time in the park. They don't want to see rats crawling around. They don't want to hear the sounds of rats chewing on little pieces of food. Right. My name is Jimmy Brown. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Manchester, United Kingdom. You do realise I have one t-shirt for sale, pre-worn, I've worn it, and I have my autobiography for sale, Brown on Brown, the autobiography of Jimmy Brown. Right. Who here has received the COVID-19 vaccination? Right. I was also tricked into this poison. By the powers that be, I took 2 jabs of Moderna in Feb 2021, but soon realised from my research on Twitter that it was in fact poison and had a blood transfusion to remove it from my body. Now, one of the common side effects of COVID-19 vaccination is nausea. Now you say nausea. Nausea. Right, now this is a song called Nausea, but it's not about nausea from the vaccination, it's about nausea from being so upset from being in love with someone who don't love you back. My name is Jimmy Brown, I'm 19 years old. I met a girl called Nancy after I graduated secondary school who broke my heart. I don't mean to whinge, but you make me cringe. You were the greatest love I've known, but now you've gone with a guy called Bob. Do you give him hand jobs like you gave to me, or do you give him your pussy? Oh doctor, won't you please give me some pills? Because right now I am feeling really ill. Nausea all night long. Nausea, now that you're gone, I'm going to be sick in a little bit. Nausea, la-di-da-da. Oh baby, you treated me so bad, but you know, I'd still take you back. This is the instrumental portion of the song. You can use it as an opportunity to buy a shirt or give me money. This is the instrumental portion of the song. Eggs in I said, who'd you use that with? She said, the guy that I just met. And I knew it was the end. When you told me about your new friends. Oh Benny, you treated me like dirt. But that just makes me want you even worse. Nausea, all night long. Nausea, now that you're gone, I'm going to be sick in a little bit. Nausea, I am gonna farm. Oh baby, you treated me like dirt. But that just makes me want you even worse. Nausea, all night long. Nausea, now that you're gone, I'm going to be sick in a little bit. Nausea, I am gonna farm. Right. My name is Jimmy Brown. I'm from United Kingdom. I'm 19 years old.
Yes, yes, yes.
Who here has ever been to a dentist's office ever in their life?
I have.
Okay. Right, well, recently I went to the dentist's office and the dental hygienist was cleaning me out and she was pregnant and I could feel her pregnant belly rubbing against my elbow as she cleaned me teeth. And the name of this song is I Felt the Dental Hygienist's Pregnant Belly Rubbing Against My Elbow. My name is Jimmy Brown. My teeth were very dirty, so I went to have them cleaned. The dental hygienist was very obviously pregnant. Her pregnant belly protruded from her dental hygienist's clothing. She also wore a mask due to coronavirus regulations. Getting my teeth cleaned, I felt the dental hygienist's pregnant belly rubbing against my elbow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She said to rinse my mouth, and a whole lot of blood came out, just like the blood from a vagina when a baby is born. When a baby is born. My name is Jimmy Brown. I've never had a visibly pregnant person clean my teeth. The sharp tools she used were painful, but it was necessary to remove the buildup of plaque. I should really floss more often. More money, please. Getting my teeth cleaned. I felt the dental hygienist's pregnant belly rubbing against my elbow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She said to rinse my mouth, and a whole lot of blood came out, just like the blood from a vagina when a baby is born. When a baby is born. When the baby is born. This is the instrumental portion of this song. My name is Jimmy Brown. My name is Jimmy Brown. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Manchester, United Kingdom.
Yes.
Who here likes eating chicken? Who here likes eating chicken bones after you've eaten through the chicken? Right. I love eating chicken bones after I've chewed through the chicken, but it's not so safe, is it? Because them chicken fragment bones can come out from your sphincter and rip up your sphincter. So this song is called Don't Chew on Chicken Bones. They can come out in your feces. My name is Jimmy Brown. Please give me money, buy t-shirts, buy books. like more than chewing chicken bones. But the shards can rupture your entrails, I've been shown. They can cause your organs to bleed, indeed. Please don't feed on chicken bones, I plead. You may find a bloody pool in your stool. You may find a bloody pool in your stool. And that's not cool. Don't chew on chicken bones. They can come out your faces. Don't chew on chicken bones. They can tear your sphincter to pieces. Don't chew on chicken thigh, except the meat. Sit down, grab a plate, and have a seat. You can eat it like a normal person, just the flesh and maybe the skin. That's how you win. I'm no fool, I don't like bloody stool. I like them clean and brown, that's how I get down. Don't chew on chicken bones, they can come out your faces. Don't chew on chicken bones, they can tear your sphincter to pieces. Don't chew on chicken, la la la. Don't chew on chicken, la 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 la. Right. Woo! Thank you. Can I do a love song?
Yes.
Yeah!
Let me just introduce it a bit, if I might. There was a girl I really cared for called Darlene. And she was driving on the M60 and she was hit by a lorry. She flew through the glass of the car and very auspiciously landed on a mattress on the side of the road. But the mattress happened to be extremely buoyant and she bounced right back off and was hit by the very same lorry again that had initially hit her.
No!
And it smashed her skull into many bits and they took her to Withington Hospital and the doctor said it was just too many bits and they couldn't put her back together again. So this is kind of a song about losing someone you love, and the name of this song is I Cried on a Train. The hardest thing in life is to say goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye, but I have to. Raise your glass in the air and drink it sip to Darlene. Love is special. Love is good. Love makes me happy. Or at least it should. I stood on the platform of the train and said goodbye. I was disappointed to see there were no tears in your eyes, so I held back mine. And the entire train ride I cried.
This, so much this.
I cried on a train. I cried on a train. I cried on a train. miles from the cafe car. The train was going fast and traveling so far. I spit out my pretzels, I could not take one bite, because without your love I had no appetite. You were all that mattered, my little queen, but I know you're gonna fuck some other guy, and that would be really mean. So I'll sit on this train and cry so many tears. I cried on a train, cried on the train. I cried on a train. I cried on a train. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jimmy Brown.
So much this.
I have my autobiography for sale. Please come purchase it. I'm going to do one more song, which I wrote yesterday. The name of this song, this is a pre-worn shirt. I've worn this. I don't have any others for sale. The name of this song, I don't remember it, I've never performed it, and I have the lyric sheet so I can perform it for you. The name of this song is Help, I've swallowed a button battery, I think I'm dying. The name of this song is Help, I've swallowed a button battery, I think I'm dying. My name is Jimmy Brown. Help, I swallowed a button battery, I'm vomiting blood and bile. My insides are on fire. Swallowed a button battery. I thought it was candy. I swallowed a button battery. I think I'm dying. Help! I swallowed a button battery. I think I'm dying. My name is Jimmy Brown. I'm 19 years old from UK. Give me money, buy my shirt, buy my book. Thank you. Good night. It's lovely to perform in a dirty basement like this. Come on. Alright, right. One more, okay. Should I do what I've already did or do one that I haven't done yet? Should I do what I haven't did or do what I've done already?
You haven't done. First album.
Right. Okay, this is a song called Blink of an Eye. It's a love song. No, that's not it.
Damn, that would like some information.
More money for this stuff, right? I carried your books and fell for your looks. I took you to the movies where things groovy. Time flies by in the blink of an eye. We roll the dice each day. We live and we die in the blink of an eye. It's wonderful to be alive in the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye. We were Chevy to the lake. Singing with the radio, love me do. In the backseat that tonight I said I love you. Right, time flies by in the blink of an eye. We roll the dice each day. We live and die in the blink of an eye. It's wonderful to be alive in the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye. We sent invitations, people replied. We got married in the blink of an eye. We're a little older now, with a touch of grey, but that's okay, for I still love you the old-fashioned way. Time flies by in the blink of an eye. We roll the dice each day. We live and die in the blink of an eye. It's wonderful to be alive in the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye.